Welcome. My name is Michael Jolly and I'm the Bald Bearded Builder. I'm glad to be here. Hope you're glad to be here. We're going to write some code later. We're going to do some ML. What we're going to do is we've got some Azure functions that are grabbing all of the extensions out of VS Code Marketplace that have themes and saving the data about those into Cosmos. Then we have another process, an Azure function that runs and pulls out any of those extensions that we haven't processed yet. For each of those, that function fires up an Azure container instance. That container instance fires up a Docker container. It installs VS Code, installs the extension, and then for every theme in that extension, it records the colors data about that theme to Cosmos and takes a picture of VS Code using that theme and saves it to Azure File Storage. Yeah, so without further ado, let's go do the work. You want to? Okay, this is where I'm at. I've got it up right now. Let me show you what I got. We've got some Cosmos data over here. This is all of the extensions we've cataloged. So if we go look over here, here are all the themes we've cataloged. And when it's cataloging it, it's cataloging, the name, what extension it came in. So in our machine learning, we've got some data sets. This ratings data set is actually coming out of that Cosmos DB for ratings. It's got the user ID, the theme ID, and the rating. We split the data coming out of ratings. It's failing here, and I don't know why. So let's go look at the error message and see. Unexpected number of columns in the dataset training data. The dataset hasn't changed. None of these things have changed. I wonder if it'll just skip past all that and use like a cached version of it. Here's the problem with this. It ran and it completed and it says it did it great. I don't know what that means. I've never done any of this before. I mean, I like it when things go green and not red, but I don't even know what that is. Oh, the heck if I know. I'm just going to say that. Okay, so the web service input requesting user ID. I don't know. Heck if I know. The output. Let's say theme. Again, I have no idea. What I mean by I have none is I have zero. It looks fancy though. I'm going to give them credit. It looks pretty. So that worked. What about publish? I guess create new. I don't know if that's a good name. Go publish it. Let's see what happens. Oh, it did it that fast. Okay. I thought I was going to have a minute to drink some coffee. I did not. Unsupported API version. Oh, good. I'd hate to think it worked. They said this is the REST endpoint, but I don't know what that is. That is not started. There it is. Submit. What is this? Do you want me to submit it? Use a clear description. I don't know, because I don't. I like to think that somebody actually reads these. Is it doing anything? Status is completed. We're going to have to go look at the documentation. Oh, select endpoints. Okay, where was I? Didn't I choose like a real-time one? There is the training I did. I don't want to pass in the theme. I want you to tell me a theme. I want to pass in a user ID and it tell me a theme ID that it thinks I would like. I think we just set up that thing into the designer. I think we set that up wrong. Let's see. Oh, that failed. Let's click on it and see. It ran a long time to fail. Oh, so it didn't allow duplicates and preserve order. I said no. We'll bring that up here, I guess. Get rid of this. That's going to go to both of them. I feel like I need to change careers. Is this what ML engineers do all day? Deployment completed. Okay, so let's go get this data. I really want to see that it has no extension ID. That's how I know I got it right. What if we hit that endpoint ourselves and say Control N? Okay, so we've got the data set. Let's go back to the designer. Here we go again. Finalizing. Completed. Perfect. Perfect. Now I should start scoring that. Oh, please score well. Please do well. We were playing with the wide and deep recommender yesterday on stream, but like I said, I'm brand new to this and I didn't understand the different inputs and outputs. The more I play with it, the more it goes wrong. Honestly, the more I click and go read the documentation about that property and what I should be passing in, and I can start massaging the data, but it feels at times like I'm getting the hang of it, but I'm not. I realize I'm a noob. But I'm a happy noob. Does that count? I'm a happy noob. It did it. I don't know if it's worth anything, but it did something. Okay, so I published it. So I've got a pipeline. What a beautiful, beautiful pipeline. Oh, the endpoint. Oh, gotta go back to the endpoint. Endpoint. I've got an endpoint now. There I do. Click on that. How did I create this one? I don't even remember. See, we just did this a minute ago and I've already forgotten it. I don't understand why I need to do this. The not duplicate users goes there. Oh my gosh, am I figuring it out? Our little developer's growing up. Look at it. Wait, I don't want to evaluate it. Just do it, right? Just do it. Are we really doing machine learning to find a VS Code thing? Yup. Yeah, we are. It completed. It worked. So we should be able to deploy this, right? Did it create? Maybe I need to refresh. It's probably broken its connection now. So we're waiting on it to come up. That it's spinning up an Azure container instance. I've got an instance of VS Code on a different window. I'm going to go try and hit this endpoint and see if I can get a score. I'm going to test over here. Wait, localhost 5001 score. Well, that doesn't seem right, does it? That's the endpoint. Oh, here, let's do this. Copy that. We go look at the resource group. Let's see if that works. That's a hard nope, Ghostwriter. That's a hard nope. Well, then let's open up Azure, go over to the database. We'll go to, it highly recommends this theme for me. What is it? Let's go see. I got to tell you, I dig this theme, honestly. Yeah, I would at least try this theme out. This is all subjective, so it's hard to say it's perfectly right or it's perfectly wrong. It thinks I'm going to hate this theme more than I hated that light theme. It's not doing terrible. I feel really good about the recommendation stuff. The recommendation engine, the machine learning that we did in Azure today, I feel like it's working like a champ. There are a lot of things to do on this project. This is not going to be done for a long time. It's going to be a lot of fun to see what all we can add into it and how we can play with it. A lot of possibilities. And so far, it's doing a heck of a job. We'll see how it does with more data. I think more data is just going to make it better. It's going to make it more better. That's just science. Anyway, let's head over there. We copy and pasted the heck out of this project, and it worked out okay. Well, we've learned a lot in this project. We've done so much with Azure container instances and functions and storage, and we have been after it. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Until next time, peace.